Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. That's a 10 by 20 inch canvas. This is my Meeden paint I've been using recently. I think you can find it on my Amazon link. It's underneath the video on the link tree. This is my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. I just did one of these swipes. I had quite a good time actually on a slightly larger canvas. And I left a gap down the center, and this time I'm going to try a similar technique but no gap down the center. I sprinkled white metallic all over also, and it made a really cool abstract pattern, but I don't know if it's to everybody's taste, so I kind of want to just see what happens if I do it a different way. I am going to grab a scrape dish because I seem to have gotten a little more paint than I anticipated, and I don't want to swallow the paint colors that I'm going to add. I have a swipe card, and my cell activator is Amsterdam black with 10 drops of pre-stained wood conditioner from Minwax. I redid my edges, or I did my edges to begin with, so I wouldn't have to worry about doing that after. I'm going to start by just adding colors I like. I think I'm going to start and do something a lot different than usual. Give myself colors I like. All these were open the last time before I ran to UPS to send my painting out today. I want that. I want it open. I'm going to have to use something, stick something in there. It's being a problem. I can get some. That looks like it could definitely use a little bit more Floetrol mixed. This is the Hot Orchid from Color Art. It's a Prism pour. Not exactly sure what I'm doing because I'm new at it. This is some old gold that I put some iridescent gold from Golden into. A fluid acrylic. Alright, so here goes nothing. I'm going to use a little more paint than I did the last time. And I'm going to come right back down here with my residuals. I might start the opposite way. I don't mind my little puddles. I actually really like them. I really wish all my bottles that were open would still be open though. I'm going to have to pick a different color. That is a green gold color shift from Folk Art. This is a turquoise color shift from Folk Art. I'm going to go a little thinner, not as wide because of the leftovers. This is an amethyst from Artist Loft. This is a Prussian blue. I think I'm going to give myself a little bit of white near that. Carefully. What else? Yeah, if I do that, it'll be back in the other direction. Let's just use the gold. I know that's open. So, I'm going to use some more black. This I'm going to scrape off on the end, and that one's not. I like it better with the puddles on the side. I'm going to indulge myself and just do that section again right after I wipe off my swipe card. And that's the amount of paint I've got on there. A little more than last time. And now I've got paint for my ends. So these are all experiments. Needless to say, we don't really know exactly what we're going to get or how it's going to work out yet. Whoops. I wonder if I have you know what? I'm just going to live with it. I'm getting more and more brazen. I'm just adding more colors. I had all kinds of things in my head earlier. I want this color, and so bear with me for a moment. This is the Purple Flash, another color shift from Folk Art. I haven't put any very much white in here. I think if I wanted to, I could probably go right down the center with a smaller card in the opposite direction and make different patterns, but I'm not really ready to go there yet. I do want some gold. A couple places even. Hopefully having so many more colors over here won't be too disturbing. So this is going to be relatively simple, I'd have to say, because I like that. And I don't know if I need to do anything else to it. I could definitely pull up through the center, but then I'd lose those interesting spots. Not sure what to do about that. I kind of like it just the way it is, to tell you the truth. There. I'm going to call it good. It is what it is. It was a good experiment, and it's kind of pretty. Torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. Torch to release patterns sometimes. I don't know what that thing is, but it's got to come out. Thank you. I really like the gold and the hot orchid. Just a really simple piece. I do sell my artwork, and my email address is the way to reach me, and if you have an interest in purchasing an artwork, then make note of the hashtag and the file number in the title of the video that you're watching, or that you see the thumbnail of. Anyway, so Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links can all be found on my link tree, which I think I mentioned is below the video. As is my email address is below the link tree. So thank you guys for all the wonderful comments that you leave me, and thank you for the donations that keep me painting. And if you happen to be interested in getting yourself into the monthly drawing, then know that there's an exhibition video on the end screen of every video. I'm going to show you some of these cells because they're really pretty. It's a very abstract expressionist piece. Some things are just best left unmessed with. As experiments go, I'm pretty happy with this. Hopefully, I showed you enough of those cells. Those are pretty cool over there. I like the colors too. So what should I tell you? I have Teespring now spring clothing underneath the video. All over print leggings and t-shirts can be found there. And if you want to see something that I painted added to all over print leggings and t-shirts, let me know. Same thing for Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on the link tree. Excuse me. Same thing for pixels.com, Fine Art America. Wow, that was bad. If you would like to see something reproduced, just ask me and I will do my best and I will give you the link. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors is a Facebook group. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students, also a Facebook group. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More has a Shop Now button that will take you to pixels.com and Fine Art America. If you guys have questions for me, ask me. If you're looking for my community board, because tomorrow's video will be posted there, that's a good thing. If you're looking for my paint pouring recipe, please read down halfway after you click Show More underneath the video to find it. If you are interested in more videos, you can always ask me for a playlist. If you like a certain genre, everything is separated into topic and genre, and there are 18 lists of 100, and probably I'm working on a 19th 100 list. So anything I can do to help you out, let me know. Shop my Amazon link. It's at no added cost to you. And my 2 books are there because I can and unlimited possibilities. I love you guys. There's over 92,000 subscribers and climbing fast. If you're new, please be welcomed. If you're not new, thank you so much for being here. And if you're not subscribed, please join us. We'd love to have you. We will talk to you anon. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Share my videos if you can. Watch them longer if you can. Watch them with the commercials if you can. Watch them when the notifications come out if you can. That would be awesome. Thank you so much. I use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixers, so when I leave little puddles of paint, they don't crack when they dry. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourself. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.